Welcome to the 6th class of embroidery, and in this class I'm going to teach you another variation of a running stitch only, which is called a darning stitch. So the darning stitch is basically the same stitch, except that in the next row we are going to alternate this stitch. In the next row it's the same as the first row, and then again in the fourth row it is alternating. So it's a good idea first to draw the lines and then you can do the embroidery, otherwise there will be some confusion which will always happen. You've done the first row of stitch basic, and then we draw the lines in the center of these two stitches. Let's see how we do it. Okay, so first is the stitch is going to be like this, right? In the next one, halfway through this stitch, halfway, the next one is the same as the first one, this one, and the next one will be halfway through this, right? Half of this stitch. So initially one can draw and do it, but later on, once you get used to it, then probably you can do it on your own also with the needle. So let's see. Put a knot. Do the stitches on top. This. Wherever you've drawn the line, just do the stitches. Alright, so let's start the next one now. So I will do it with a different color so that you get some clarity. So this is coming in the halfway through these stitches. So I'm going to finish the thread later on. So let me just finish this thread and show you one more stitch, one more row. So if the thread becomes uneven, just push the needle at the back, make them even. See this. So they can also come closer. Okay, then we can do this. So in this also you can experiment with different colors. Okay, so you can see now they are generally alternate. So what I can do is I could have done blue here, and I could have done pink in the center. So I will do some more color variations and later on show it to you. Thank you.